How to create an account on Adobe Scan. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Adobe Scan. So to do that, first of all, download the Adobe Scan app from either your Play Store or your App Store, depending on whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. Now, once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now, as soon as you open the app, it'll basically provide you with four different options. You can either sign in using your Apple account, your Google account, or your Facebook account. Or if you already have an Adobe account, you can simply sign in or sign up. So for this video, since we are here to create an account or sign up, we'll basically use one of the three options on the top side of the screen, which are basically Apple account, Google account, and your Facebook account. So to make things simple, I'll simply use my Apple account, tap on the option continue. And whether you use the other two methods as well, the process is basically the same. Simply tap on the option sign in. And then it'll ask you whether you have an existing Adobe account or not. Simply tap on the option no, select your date of birth. Then if you want them to contact you via email, just leave this box as is. But if you don't, tap on the option, just tap on the box, just tap on the box in front of please don't contact me via email, and then tap on the option create account. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, it'll ask you to whether upgrade your plan, your free plan, etc. And once you've done with that, you'll have basically created an account on Adobe Scan. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel